What's up, cool cats and kittens? It is Uncle Mad, along with Nephew P, here today. We've got a special video planned for you. All our videos are special, so I don't know why I'm designating this one as any better than any of the others, but Parker's got a hat. Glad he showed that. So, as we move into a new year, one thing I've been looking at doing on the channel is bringing back some of the Disney content. We did a lot of that at the start, then some Titan stuff came in, then we had the Nashville SC stuff and the holiday stuff. We're winding down the year, things are kind of quiet right now, so I thought this is as good a time as any to start bringing back some of the Disney content. Now what I'd love to do is be in the actual parks, filming there, doing stuff there. Circumstances don't currently allow, but I'm hoping to get back soon. Some things did just change within my employment status that could open the door for me to be able to take a trip sometime soon, so subscribe to the channel because I'm hoping to get back down there. I definitely need to at least get back to Universal sometime soon, because if you watched our videos in the summer when we went, I bought an annual pass to Universal while we were down there because they're just too good of a deal to pass up, and I haven't been back since, so I gotta get down there to at least get my money's worth out of that. So even if I don't go back to Disney, I gotta at least go to Universal and get some Universal use out of my pass for that. But
I wanna go to Disney.
Parker wants to go to Disney. It'd be great to take him, get some shots of Nephew P on Tower of Terror falling out of his seat. But that's not what we're doing today. We're home, obviously, so we're gonna do a special video. Look, I don't know why I keep saying special video. It's just a video. This is all we do is videos. We're gonna do a video today looking at my Disney pin collection. Now, giving you a little background on that, about a year and a half ago, I started thinking, you know, I love Disney, but I don't really have like any kind of a real collection. You know, I've never been a big collector of stuff. I don't know why. Comics back in the day, I collected comics like crazy. Still have a ton all over the house that Jess wants me to get rid of someday. I'll figure it out eventually. But I want to have something Disney-wise to commemorate my enjoyment and love of Disney. And it just seemed like an obvious thing. The pins, pretty easy, small, they don't take a lot of space. You can put them up, decorate with them. There's so many different varieties, so many different types of them that it just seemed like a natural, easy thing to do. And there's also the added element, the fun of, but there's also the fun added element with the Disney pins of when you can take them to the parks, you can trade them. If you have some that you're just okay with, that you might want to get rid of, you can go, you can trade. So there's this whole other fun element. So I decided to get into Disney pin collecting. It's pretty cool. Whether it's Amazon, eBay, whatever, you can buy these big bundle packs that come with just a bunch of random ones. So I did that to kind of get the collection started. So last couple times I've been to the parks, I've bought a new pin to kind of commemorate that trip. I actually didn't get one last time we went just because it was weird, you know, they didn't have merch for the festival that was going on because they kind of had thrown it together at the last minute because they had just reopened after everything that had happened. But future trips, we'll always get a pin to commemorate those trips. So what we're going to do today is, I'll show you what I've got so far, the collection that I've started, kind of go through that, show you the ones that came in the bundles, show you the ones I've bought, but also I have a new random pack bundle of pins that came in. So we don't know what's in this. We're going to open it up, we're going to see what's in it. Hopefully there's some cool stuff in here. Parker, if there was one Disney character that you would want to see a pin of in this pack, what would it be?
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck, wow. I have a feeling there's probably going to be a Donald Duck in there. But before we open this and get into that, let's look at what we have so far.
I like Donald Duck.
I like Donald Duck too. My dad does a crazy Donald Duck impression. I need to get him on the channel sometime to do his Donald Duck impression.
Even my dad's cousin can do Donald Duck.
We need to have a Donald Duck off between your dad's cousin and my dad.
He has red hair.
Thank you for the update on his hair color. Alright, so here is one of two pin boards that I have so far. I got these on Amazon. They're pretty simple little things. You just stick the pins in there and they stay up there. So what I got so far, the majority of these, like I said, were from pre-made bundles, except these Epcot ones. I bought these because I wanted them. These aren't the new Epcot ones that just came out because those are insanely expensive, but these are kind of like the older models. But I got those because I like the newer ones that are out. But I bought this Disney Founder Circle pin. They actually sold this at a D23 event where you could sign up for Disney Plus and claim that you were a day one subscriber. I subscribed from day one, so I thought I earned that. These fun little small ones, these are actually sissies, like this Alice, Teapot, this Donald Duck right here. These might actually, these down here, these smaller ones too, these might actually predate the actual like true pin collecting craze. I'm not 100% sure on that because they're a little bit different size than the rest. She got these back in like the mid 90s on a trip, and she gave them to me when I started my collection, so I don't know if they're worth anything or not. I never really looked it up because I don't really plan to sell these. I kind of want to keep them, but I will accept your best offers in the comments down below. This one right here, this is one I actually bought to commemorate a trip. It's from Food and Wine Festival 2019. October 2019 I was down there. Crazy to think that what has changed since then. Like I said, there was a festival going on last time I went, but it was like a mixed bag thrown together festival, so they didn't even have any merch for it, so I didn't get a pin for that one. That was the weird Taste of Epcot one. That was sort of weird. But you can just see there's just a bunch of general other ones, some cool ones there. I like this Chewbacca, the egg one. That one's kind of cool.
Is it Chewbacca?
Uh-huh. It's Chewbacca as an egg.
Ooh.
I like this Haunted Mansion one. This is one of my favorites. Alright, so this is the second board. This one's the one we're still filling in a little bit. A couple of ones that I really like over here. I like this Mickey Rebel Alliance one. That one's pretty cool. Yeah, I got a Winnie the Pooh pin one. This is not actually a Disney pin. This is just a Nashville SC pin, but it was a pin, so I put it on my pin board. But got these cool ones there. I'm not so sure how I feel about, like, this is a Marvel one. This is like a Hulk one. I'm not 100% on how the Marvel pins integrate. Like, I like how the Star Wars one here has the Mickey ears, so it's kind of blending Star Wars with Disney. This Hulk one, that might be one I look to trade next time I go to the parks, but right here, it's that red one that looks like a Mickey ear. It's actually the symbol of the Rebel Alliance.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so before we get into the mystery unboxing of the new set of pins, I do have one pin that I purchased that I have not added to the board yet, but I wanted to highlight it. This definitely looks like an animal chewed on this. I don't know which one of the animals would have done this, but somebody's had some fun with this one at some point in time. This one has a funny story. I bought this one when I was at Disney. I can't even figure out if you can see it.
It has a little Mickey on it.
You have a little Mickey on you. It says, "I only look like a grown-up." I thought it was funny. I bought it. My friend's wife, who I was with, took it, put it in her purse, so I didn't have to carry it around because I didn't have really anything to put it in that day. Forgot to get it back from her at the end of that day. I was leaving from that trip before they were. This pin stayed with her and the family for over a year. Got it back, put it in my wife's purse. Proceeded to leave it in my wife's purse for about the last 3 or 4 months. Finally remembered it when I was deciding to do this pin video, so it's finally gonna go up on the pin board where it belongs. It just took a little while to get there. Mickey ears with the phrase.
Yeah.
So I can turn it this way because like it's getting light reflecting off it. Shh. There it is. I only look like a grown-up. Which is fitting for me, that's why I picked it, because I thought it was very on brand for who I am. Okay, without further ado, we are going to open up the new mystery set of pins that we have. Oh my gosh, this is like taped a lot. I should have prepared for this. This is taped a lot more than I thought it was going to be. Alright, there we go. Problem solved. Alright, let's see.
That's a lot of pins.
I think it's I can't remember if it's a set of 50 or 25. Supposed to be no doubles in these. I did one of the sets that I ordered earlier have a couple doubles in, so they don't always follow the protocol on these. Let's see what we got.
A Star Wars one.
Yeah, I definitely see a Star Wars one right out of the gates.
Right here.
I'll show you. Yeah, we got a nice little one right there. Alright, so what do we got? Parker showed you the Star Wars one. We've got an old school black and white kind of Mickey. That's the one Parker has declared as his favorite one. I'm going to be honest, some of these I'm not going to know who they are. I like this one right out of the gates. A nice little Simba. That's pretty cool.
Anna. Anna, see? Little Anna.
Is that who that is? This is one I couldn't figure out. I was literally looking at this one thinking I have no idea who this is. But that's right. I think you're right. That is Anna.
Got a little Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. We get a lot of these safety pin ones. This one's... I cannot, for the life of me, remember anybody's names. Is this Mike or Sully? This is Sully, right? That's Sully, right?
It is.
It's Sully. Sully the safety pin.
Got Minnie Mouse. See?
Nice. This one is a Dapper Dan's one, I believe. Nope, not Dapper Dan's. This is the Mad Hatter Tea Party. It'll be really bad at just showing these. Hardly any of these are going to be in focus, but whatever. It's a teapot with the Mad Hatter outfit on it.
Okay. Little Mickey.
That's a fun little Mickey one.
Little Mickey.
This is an interesting one for all our...
Look at this Star Wars one.
Wait, I'm about to do something cool here. For all our viewers in the Emerald Isle, we've got the Shamrock Mickey. For all our Irish viewers watching the vlog in Ireland, got the Shamrock Mickey for your Lucky Charms. They're always after me Lucky Charms.
Star Wars.
Oh, this is an interesting one. It's a Darth Vader snowflakes.
Oh, that's
it's like
so
Darth
cool.
Vader in snowflake form.
I really like this one.
That's pretty cool. And a Minnie Mouse on a ticket at Mint 1. Another Minnie Mouse. I'm going to just kind of start flying through these. I'm only going to pull out the ones that I think are the most interesting. There's a Stitch. Oh, this one. I'm not 100% sure if this is what it's supposed to be. But viewers of the channel remember, in one of our previous Disney at Home vlogs where we tried to replicate the Disney magic at home, we made zebra domes. We tried to make zebra domes, I should say. And this is probably more like what we were trying to have it come out looking like.
Now it's not blurry that much.
But ours didn't turn out that way. But I think this is supposed to be a Mickey zebra dome. I could be wrong though.
What's this?
That is a bunny. That's the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah.
like this Stitch.
Oswald the Rabbit.
Mickey one?
Oh, this one's cool. This one is Mickey Ears as a bellhop from the Hollywood Tower Hotel, Tower of Terror. Champion, all-time greatest ride. If you watch the Disney tournament videos, another Disney at Home video we made way back when.
Is this the little girl from
Yeah, I think that's Boo.
Yeah.
I don't know what this one is. This one's got me a little confused.
What
I don't know.
is it?
I don't know. That's when it's moving your hand. I'm trying to show the camera. I don't know what this is. If anybody knows what this is, let me know in the comments down below, because I'm totally lost on this one. Looks like a chair.
Look it. That one's a cool one.
Mm-hmm.
That one's so cool.
It's like an ice cream bar Jack Skellington.
Dumbo.
I think I already have that Dumbo one.
Wait, do you?
Yeah, I think this is one I have previously. If anybody wants this Dumbo one, hit me up in the comments down below, because I definitely already have that one. There's a Miranda Mickey one.
Yeah, I think you already have
Some blonde girl, I don't know who that is.
And you can win Thanos.
Baloo, yeah. Still haven't anybody enter the Thanos contest, so that one's still up for grabs. Belle on a coffee cup.
Who's this?
Eva.
Who's this?
This is Rapunzel from Tangled.
Lion King. Lion King 1.
Yeah, Scar's chin.
Donald. It's Donald Duck. See? Donald
Uh-huh, it's like a puzzle piece.
Donald Duck as a puzzle piece.
Alright, here's another one. I legit have no idea what this is.
Just,
Anybody knows what the heck this is?
oh, it's like a castle or something, and then it has a little Mickey.
I can tell that, but these are all something. Well, let me see if it's got anything written on the back. Oh my god, when do my eyes get so bad? I can't read it. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments down below. I used to have good vision. I don't know what's happened here.
Oh,
I think this is one of Ariel's sisters.
this one's so cute. But it's a little Pluto.
There's a little Pluto. There's a
Pluto.
mini candy apple.
Who is Pluto? You can see.
You can't. This is, I believe, Trident's castle
That
in all
is a
its
cool one.
phallic glory. Malfeasant, Jessica would like that.
What's this one?
It looks like just a,
Lemon?
like a lemon Mickey head.
Lemon Mickey head.
Macaroon Mickey.
Macaroon Mickey.
We got a green Pluto for some reason.
Okay, it's Mando.
It's not Mando, that's Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. Boba Fett.
Sure, you gotta do like this. Boba Fett.
Yeah. Boba Fett's my favorite.
The random Tinkerbell.
What's this? This one's weird.
Chubby Mickey. This is a conch shell. I guess that's a Little Mermaid one, I would guess.
A Thor one.
Oh yeah, we got Thor.
It's a Thor.
Thor. And the last one, I think I've got like 10 of these. Which one? I can't tell if that's... Yeah, I already got one of these. Don't know if it's Italy, don't know if it's Mexico, but it's a Mickey flag edition.
I found it. Up there.
Do I have one on both sides? No, it's on there on the left.
No, look, it's right there.
No, you're looking at the wrong thing.
No, it's red, white, and blue right there.
Yeah, this one's green, red, and blue.
Oh, it's probably the same, but different colors.
Yeah. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We got them unboxed, we went through them. For all of Nephew P's help in this amazing vlog, I'm gonna let you take one of these. Keep one. So look through them. Any one that you like the best, you get to pick, and you can start your own pin collection.
I would either go for this one, or...
Okay, so he's narrowed it down to Boba Fett, the green Rebel Alliance badge, or the Rebel Squadron Gold Leader pin to start Nephew P's pin collection.
This one.
Nephew P has selected the Gold Leader pin. I took that out of the bag. Maybe
That
you can
was
see
a
it better
cool
too.
one.
It is cool. I like it. I think you made a good decision on that one. That one's a very unique one. This one's cool because, like, it can kind of function in two ways. It's like, you know, decorative, but also you could wear it or put it on your bag and say, like, look at me, I'm the Gold Leader. So that one's a cool one. I think you made a good decision on that one.
Wait, put it on me.
Oh, you want to wear it?
Mm-hmm. Even with my Star Wars shirt.
Oh, you are wearing a Star Wars shirt, so it all worked out. It's like we planned this.
Oh, that's so cool.
Mm-hmm. Hang on, we'll get a shot of it at the end. All right. Okay.
Star Wars on Star Wars.
So I'm glad you picked that one because I like the Boba Fett one, so I'm glad I got to keep that one. My other favorite one out of this pack is definitely the Simba, the kind of Simba painted logo. I'm a big fan of Lion King. Lion King is my all-time favorite Disney movie, so I'm glad I got one of that.
My other two favorites are these two.
I think you just pull those out of random. Those can't possibly be your other two favorites. All right, we're gonna finish the video now.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in this video. I'm going to try to mix in some more Disney related content as we go over the next few weeks. And like I said, hopefully there'll be a trip coming up sometime soon. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn the bell on so you get notified at any time we go live with any new videos. Give this video a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. If you see any pins and you're willing to spend a lot of money on them that was in this video, give me your best offers in the comments down below. But as always, don't stand so close to me. That's all I got today.
You can win a Thanos.
The Thanos contest is ongoing. Go back like 10 videos to figure out how to enter. Alright, we're done. I'm leaving. Bye!
I'll see myself out.
Yep. Here is Parker, sporting his brand new Gold Leader pin with his cool Star Wars Lego shirt. I call this video a success.